These ones running first. These ones are Colin and Sue.
Yeah. From the BART train to a tour bus, still the same game except I'm pulling more sluts, more butts, more bucks.
Gemma, kyk eens zo. Hy maak dit klere oor. Nee, jy wou nou die lappers gedoen.
You both check the peacock, dude. I know. Dude, can you take a photo of me next to one?
What is it?
Check, here's the head.
Goodness. Can you...
Here's the head, right here. Mamba.
Where is he?
There is he crawling here, look here. His tail starts here. There is he going.
Yeah, guys, he's a mamba. My dad said there was snake could break through the glass if he wanted to.
But he doesn't know it. That's why I was. What slum? If it knew it could, we would be in trouble. Yeah, black mambas are very dangerous. The king of the kings over here. Look at this thing. I wish you guys could see the size of this snake. It is enormous. Black mamba. Close it. What? Where's the one that's in here? Liam, look here. Liam, look at this massive ass rat. Dude, there's like 3 roaming. Oh, Liam, take a photo of those red birds, dude. I am going to. There's 3 roaming lemurs in here as well, eh? Dude, wait. He's crazy, look at this.
Oh my.
For the horn above that amplifies sound. But I think she's done an outstanding job out here today. So let's hear it one last time from Northern Brown Oval.
Thank you.
Not on the slopes, even cooler on water. This, everybody, is our great white modeling pelican, Rex.
You wanted to take a photo here.
Welcome out, young man. Now you'll notice that large throat pouch of his. And this isn't used to store up food like a lunchbox, but rather as a modified fishing net. A beautiful scheme. Now pelicans will naturally ski over large bodies of water to scoop up to 40 sardines in that large pouch and swallow them down whole. And Rex does love eating fish, but pelicans have been seen eating just about anything that fits down their throats. And this can include crustaceans such as crabs, fruits or from trees, amphibians, turtles, other birds, and even John when she first started working here.
Yes, that is true. Now, what's Rexy Richard?
If you guys enjoyed this video, I just showed you a small little part of this bird park. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Dude, look at that, bungee jumping. Dude. Okay, but anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified whenever I do upload another video, guys. We got bangers coming soon. So that being said, guys, it's been your boy. See you guys in the next one. Peace.